Stay tuned to see how I put together the Partybox by V Spa Party Box. So while I put together my party box, I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of insight into Partybox by V, how it came about, and where I'm intending for it to go. So, of course, with COVID, it pretty much put a complete stop to any family get-togethers or any gatherings of any kind with friends, vacations, everything halted. And after the first year of being on lockdown and having to be separate, I really noticed a decline in my friendships and our ability to communicate and even just meet on Zoom on a regular basis. So I came up with the idea to send everybody a party box for each of our friend group's birthdays. And each party box was themed and customized to each person's likings. And so after doing that for the first year and completing a party box for each of my friends in our friend group's birthday, I decided this would be a joy that I would love to bring to other people who might be feeling isolated or who were isolated and had not been able to see or be around any family or friends throughout COVID. And that is how Partybox by V was born. I just want to bring a little bit of fun and connectivity to friends and family members all across the globe so that even with being distant and staying safe, even though that's not as big now, I think it's still very important to stay connected with all of our loved ones. And so that's why Partybox by V's motto is stay close no matter the distance. This box that I am creating is our spa party box. As you can see, it includes things like bubble bath, bath bombs, sugar scrubs, a nail file, nail polish, and a nail brush. It also includes feet masks, also hand mask, lip mask, and under eye masks, as well as the availability of including a bottle of Prosecco or wine. If you so choose to go that route with the party box, it is also available for an additional charge. But of course, if you do not partake in liquor, you are able to get the box without any alcohol or even an alcohol substitute. So this is the completed Party Box by V Spa Party Box, and I love the contents of this box. I've tried out everything that I am putting in the box so that I know that it is a good product. I've packaged it beautifully so that when you guys receive it, it really will be like receiving a gift in the mail. And also to add a personal touch to each of the party boxes, when you order, you can add a customized keychain or pop socket to the box and color coordinate it for the person who will be receiving the box's favorite colors. And of course, we have to put our branding on, Partybox by V, right on the top of the box. And here is the Partybox by V Spa Party Box complete. I truly love this company that I am working so very hard behind the scenes to get up off of the ground and to bring a little bit of joy to your home, no matter the distance that you are. I do hope that you guys love this behind the scenes to see how I created the spa party box. And let me know if you want to see more behind the scenes videos. Thanks so much for joining me for another video this week. I really want you guys to know that this is a labor of love. I enjoy making people happy, and I really, really, really enjoyed seeing my friends' faces when they received their party boxes. We also correlated the party boxes with Zoom parties, and we had a blast with everybody's themed party boxes. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you would want to see a little insight into some of our themed Zoom parties using our party boxes. And let me know if you guys are excited for the launch. I'll be releasing the date soon, so make sure that you stay tuned to the page and follow me on IG at Partybox by V. I will tag all of the links down below. I love you guys wherever you are and whatever you're doing. I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, love you guys. Bye.